As a junior developer, you've probably heard of the many opportunities available to you as a freelancer. Whether you're just starting out or looking to diversify your portfolio, the world of freelancing is a great way to expand your skills and network. With so many websites offering freelance opportunities, it can be tough to know where to start. To help you out, I've put together a list of the top sites for junior developers to be freelancers, along with tips for getting started on each site. Number 1. Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest and most popular freelance platforms with a wide range of opportunities for developers of all levels. Getting started as a freelancer on Upwork is easy and straightforward. Simply create a profile, fill in your profile information, and start bidding on projects that interest you. The fee structure for freelancers on Upwork is designed to encourage continued use and success on the platform. As a freelancer earns more and more on Upwork, the percentage fee taken by the platform decreases. Specifically, the fee starts at 20% for the first $500 earned with a client and then decreases incrementally as the freelancer earns more with that client. So if you earn upwards of $500 to $10,000, the fee is lowered to 10%, and anything over $10,000 is 5%. The exact fee structure can vary, but the goal is to reward freelancers who have established relationships with clients and are consistently earning high amounts. It is important to note that the fee structure can change over time, so it is a good idea to regularly check the Upwork website for updates. Number 2. Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is another popular platform with a large number of opportunities for developers. Getting started as a freelancer on Freelancer.com is similar to Upwork. All you need to do is create a profile, fill in your profile information, and start bidding on projects that match your skill set. Freelancer.com does take a portion of your earnings as a fee for connecting you with clients and providing you with access to its network of opportunities. For fixed-price projects, you're charged a small project fee relative to the value of the selected bid as an introduction fee. If you are subsequently paid more than the original bid amount, you will also be charged the project fee on any overage payments. The fee for fixed-price projects is 10% or $5, whichever is greater, and it's a flat rate of 10% for hourly projects. These fees are much less than Upwork, and it's a small price to pay for access to such a large pool of clients and projects. Number 3. TopTal.com. TopTal is a more exclusive platform designed specifically for top-tier developers. To get started, you'll need to complete a rigorous screening process to prove your skills, but once you're in, you will have access to high-paying projects from some of the world's leading companies. TopTal does not charge freelancers any fees. Instead, they put that responsibility on the clients. This is a great option if you're on a tight budget and you cannot pay the fees associated with the other sites. Number 4. Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a more casual platform where you can offer your services for as little as $5. While the projects may not be as high-paying as other platforms, Fiverr is a great way to build your portfolio and get your name out there. Fiverr is free to join, but they take a 20% fee from every transaction. You can learn more about this topic in my Tech Career newsletter. This newsletter will give you insight into multiple stages of your career so that you can form your career plan, overcome learning blockers, and stay competitive in today's crowded job market. You'll get featured content from authors and influencers in my network to help you navigate your career and learn new skills. Visit HoffsTech.com/newsletter to subscribe and set yourself up for career success. What questions do you have about being a freelancer? Let me know in the comments, and please be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.